Hi, good morning. My name is Niyashish Roy, and I am a graphic arts professional working in this industry for nearly 30 years now. I represent Times of India Group, and the company's name is Bennett Coleman and Company Limited, and we are headquartered in Delhi and Mumbai, and we are in India. We are our prime brands are Times of India, Economic Times, Navbharat Times, and some other language papers, which we are number one publisher in the English newspaper Daily Today. Bennett Coleman and Company Limited was established in 1838. It's a legacy company, quite a long history of Times of India Group, and we are predominantly in English newspaper. We are the number one publisher in the world few years back. Uh, Times of India Group, we are known for our innovative advertisement offering to our customers, to our advertisers, and we also are followed by a large group of loyal readers and customers. I think in the year 2014-15, we started in India thinking of hybrid newspaper with front page with GNP printing for Times of India Group, ABP Group. I was at that point of time leading ABP Group, and we wanted to have GNP printing on our Wi-Fi machine along with SNP standard newspaper printing. We inquired with Vanifra, and Vanifra consulted with us and told us if you want to go for UV printing in newspapers, high-speed machines, we should always talk to IST. IST being the number one premier company at that point of time in UV field. In the early 2015, we invited IST to visit us in Kolkata and visit our Wi-Fi press in ABP. And first design visit was done. I remember Mr. Jorgen came first time along with a design engineer, and the first design of the high-speed wave offset UV system for newspapers were being designed by IST. Before that, IST was there in high-speed newspaper in Gauss machine in Switzerland, I think, and it was not more than 50,000 speed. So we needed a higher speed machine, and we had entrusted our design responsibility to IST. When it comes to printing GNP or place newsprint in newspaper, you have choices of heat set printing, which is a very cumbersome gas oven, big installation, or UV system, which is a small retrofit in the printing machines. So we went for the UV system, both in Times of India and ABP, and followed by Hindustan Times in Mumbai and Delhi. So first installation of UV system high speed from IST was finally took place. I remember, I think maybe it's in July, August of 2015, and we first started printing with GNP very successfully, and very soon GNP printing on the top page became very popular in Indian advertisement market. And after ABP, Times of India was looking into the system, but Times of India primarily was in the Prime UV air-cooled system. But Hindustan Times followed suit after ABP in the July-August of 2015. They installed their first IST system in Mumbai market. Very soon, I had to leave ABP and come join in Times of India, and I brought in IST along with me in Times of India Group. IST in Times of India was not just a system implemented, we created a relationship. We went to IST head office, met their owners and met their shareholders and all their design engineers, and we developed IST system along with IST engineers and Times of India engineers for the betterment every step by step. Our first installation in IST system was in Bangalore press, where we had a double width installation and a single width installation, very successfully ran during our festival season of 2017. Starting in 2017-18, we printed 10 times more GNP from our competitions, and we did really made a big mark in the Indian printing industry with GNP. We did GNP front page, 2 page, GNP jackets, and we came up with very soon we came up with the GNP Vantage, which is 4 page on the top, and up to 8 pages of GNP we started printing very soon with using our double width systems. Our investment in IST system and some of the prime system that in Mumbai and Delhi was running, we had overall investment which actually 18 times more revenue we have generated out of it. So return of investment for UV system for newspapers really good in terms of its payback. Very short payback period, and as I told you, 18 times more revenue you have generated than the investment that you have done in UV system. And as per our competition is concerned, we print 10 times more UV than our competitions.
So now in the press, we are having 24 UV systems in Times of India, Bennett Coleman. In that, 12 systems are made from IST. So we are now more than 50% of our productions coming from IST UV systems. These UV systems are unique hybrid cooling system, like you have got air removal in the system, exhaust air, and you also have the water cooling system as the primary mode of taking away the heat. Also, this is got a much smaller footprint than compared to our earlier system from Prime, and these systems are really having 3 lamps each, giving us a higher speed. So these are the 3 advantages that we are having for our IST UV system. One improvement that we have done with IST system is we incorporated, designed and implemented a fresh air ventilation system, which really saved our maintenance time. Our reflectors life has been improved, and overall the efficiency of the system has become great. Engineers are finding it now better to maintain these systems. The fresh air ventilation system is designed and manufactured by our own engineering team, and that's a really good success with the IST system today. Biggest challenge we had with IST last year during the pandemic, we were planning to implement some of the changes for the festival season of 2020. We wanted to have some double width new systems installed in our Saibabad plant, and also reinstall 3 of the single width UV systems in Chennai and in Bangalore. So this was a big challenge during pandemic. Our IST friends, engineers could not come to India. So we have decided under indemnity bond, we have decided to install these machines remotely from IST center. First time this kind of activity has been done by IST, that we have installed the machines remotely from IST German side, and locally Newstech engineers got trained by and instructed by IST engineers from Germany, and with our engineers support, our engineering support, our technical engineering team support, we successfully installed all 2 double width systems in Delhi and commissioned all 5 systems, including 3 relocations in Chennai and Bangalore. This is a success story. Worldwide, first time we did a remote installation of IST UV system. Those systems are healthy and running today with a lot of GNP printing. So this is a very pride moment for us to tell that IST really helped us garnering the advertisement revenue, making us a premier offer for GNP on the front page for Times of India Group. Thank you, IST, for your partnership with us for last 3 years. Thank you.